Hi all, a warm welcome to the live discussion of the today's NEET exam which is over. I would like to congratulate all the students who have done well. It was an easy paper and we are going to discuss the chemistry part of today's NEET exam. Yes, a warm welcome to all. We are going to discuss the H2 version. H2 version we are going to discuss. Anyway, the questions are displayed in the board. So corresponding question you people can go through. It is H2 version that is being discussed here. H2 version that is discussed here. Yes. So let's start. The first question, as you can find, the number of protons, neutrons and electrons. Number of protons, neutrons and electrons in the element given lutetium 71 175. A very simple fundamental question to start with. The number of protons is the atomic number 71 itself. Number of protons, the atomic number 71 itself, and number of neutrons, it is mass number minus 71. You get 104, and the number of electrons will be same as number of proton, and the correct answer is as it is marked here, the second choice. 71 protons, 104 neutrons and 71 electrons. That is the correct answer. Second choice. 71 protons, 104 neutrons and 71 electrons. A fundamental question. Next question. Second one. The following metal ion activates many enzymes, participates in oxidation of glucose to produce ATP, and with the sodium is responsible for transmission of nerve signals. All of you know this is a textbook based question coming under the biological importance of alkali metals. You can find the same sentence, and the correct answer is choice 1, potassium. Choice 1, potassium is the correct answer. Sodium potassium pump and its application known to everyone. Yes. Third question. Third question. Which of the following is not correct about carbon monoxide? Which of the following is not correct about carbon monoxide? First one, it is produced due to incomplete combustion. First choice, which is a true statement. Carbon monoxide is formed by the incomplete combustion. It forms carboxyhemoglobin. That is a true statement. It reduces oxygen carrying ability of the blood. A true statement. And the correct answer, that is incorrect statement. Fourth choice. Fourth choice. This is the correct answer. That is incorrect statement. The carboxyhemoglobin is less stable than oxyhemoglobin. You have learned in the textbook. It is a factual point. Carboxyhemoglobin, the CO bondage is almost 300 times stronger than oxyhemoglobin bondage. It is there in the textbook and is a non-point, and that is how the oxygen carrying ability is reduced. Fourth choice is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following has maximum number of atoms? Which of the following has maximum number of atoms? See, number of atoms are related to number of moles. Number of atoms are related to number of moles, and that is equal to mass by molar mass. Here the mass given, all are given 1 gram. All mass given is 1 gram. and almost all are monoatomic lithium, silver, magnesium. They are metallic elements. So number of moles will be directly related to number of molecules, that is atoms in this case. While there is one gas, oxygen given, so it is O2 gas. Only in the fourth choice, number of atoms will be number of moles, that is 1 divided by 32 into Avogadro constant. This is the number of molecules, and if you want to get a number of atoms, there will be into 2, but absolutely no issues. See, the number of atoms will be inversely related to the molar mass. Inversely related to the molar mass. Here the molar mass is 32, and as far as first choice is concerned, which is lithium, the atomic mass, that is the molar mass, it is only 7. As far as lithium is concerned, you can find the atomic mass given. It is a very small value. You see, it is 7. So what is going to be in the numerator? The minimum value coming, that is atomic molar mass of lithium 7, while silver it is 108, magnesium 24. So no doubt the maximum number of moles, and that is maximum number of particles, will be there in the first choice, that is 1 gram lithium. 1 gram lithium will contain maximum number of moles and hence maximum number of atoms. Yes. Next question. Next question. That is fifth question. Paper chromatography is an example for another fundamental textbook question. Paper chromatography is an example for partition chromatography. Third choice is the correct answer. Partition chromatography, right? While column chromatography, it is related to adsorption chromatography. Paper chromatography explained in the textbook, well defined, well explained, and that is partition chromatography. Next question. Sixth question. Which of the following is a natural polymer? Which of the following is a natural polymer? First one, polybutadiene acrylonitrile. Acrylonitrile, polybutadiene acrylonitrile, which is a artificial polymer. Cis 1,4-polyisoprene, and that is the correct answer. It is natural rubber latex. It is natural rubber, that is latex, and that is cis 1,4-polyisoprene, and that is the natural polymer among the list. Second choice, that is the correct answer. That is sixth question. Now, seventh question. The mixture which shows positive deviation. The mixture which shows positive deviation from Raoult's law. Easy question. Chloroethane, bromoethane. Chloroethane, bromoethane. That will be ideal solution. Right? We want to have positive deviation. Positive deviation is no doubt, it is the second choice. Ethanol, this makes a positive deviation. And benzene toluene, again it is ideal solution. Acetone chloroform, and it is negative deviation. So first choice, it is ideal. Second choice is our answer, ethanol and acetone, that gives positive deviation. While benzene toluene, that will be ideal. Acetone chloroform makes negative deviation. Examples are quoted in the textbook. Elementary question only based on the example. Next question. Eighth question. The calculated spin-only magnetic moment of Cr2 plus. The calculated spin-only magnetic moment of Cr2 plus. All of us know, chromium, atomic number 24, will go for D5S2 configuration. Sorry, D5S1 configuration, the abnormal configuration. We are talking about chromium 2 plus. So it will be D4 system. D4 system will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is d4 system in the d orbital. 5d orbital, 4 unpaired electrons are available. So unpaired electrons n equal to 4 and thereby mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. You know, so it is 4 into 4 plus 2. Ultimately, the value will be the third choice. Third choice, 4.9 Bohr magneton. It is very simple to identify. Suppose n equal to 4, the magnetic moment will be somewhat 4.9. Suppose n equal to 5, the magnetic moment will be 5.9. Suppose n equal to 3, the magnetic moment will be 3.8, something like that. So once you identify the number of electron, you get your answer. You need not work out and all. It is option 3, 4.9. That is 8th question. Now the 9th question. A tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than secondary butyl carbocation because of which of the following? So how can you explain the stability of a tertiary butyl carbocation? This is tertiary butyl carbocation. How can you explain the more stability of this when compared with the CH3, CH plus, CH3, which is a secondary carbocation? How can you compare this and this? It's very simple. It's very simple. You can take an account of number of alpha hydrogen atom and which gives the hyperconjugative structures. This is alpha carbon, alpha carbon, alpha carbon. The number of alpha hydrogen here. Number of alpha hydrogen. It is 9 alpha hydrogen and it is mostly contributing to the hyperconjugative structures. The stability of carbocation can be explained by hyperconjugation and it gives 9 hyperconjugative structures, while this example will give you 6 hyperconjugative structures, 3 from here and 3 from here. And the stability of carbocation can be accounted for hyperconjugation. First choice is the correct answer. First choice is the correct answer. Of course, we can talk about the inductive effect of CH3 group, but it is positive inductive effect, not negative inductive effect, as is commented in the second choice. So we can go for only most suitable one solid answer, hyperconjugation. That is 9th question. On to 10th question. The correct option for free expansion of an ideal gas under adiabatic condition. Free expansion of ideal gas. Free expansion, definitely you know, work done is equal to 0. There are two choices with work done is equal to 0. There are two choices with work done is equal to 0. And adiabatic. Adiabatic means Q is equal to 0. So work done is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 0. Delta U equal to 0. Delta T equal to 0. Second choice is the correct answer. A fundamental question from the chapter thermodynamics. Fundamental question from the chapter thermodynamics. You say free expansion, work done is equal to 0. Ideal gas adiabatic condition, Q equal to 0. When these two are 0, delta U is 0, delta T is 0. The second choice is the correct answer. That is 10th question. On to 11th question. Question number 11. Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to form 2-pentene. 2-bromopentane. This is 2-bromopentane. I am just drawing the skeleton, which is going to give you pent2-ene. That means bromine from here and a hydrogen from here is eliminated. You get a double bond here. You get a pent2-ene. See, you can get pent1-ene and pent2-ene. Pent2-ene is the major product according to Seychef elimination. So, it follows Seychef elimination. It follows Seychef elimination. We have to find the correct statements. It is beta elimination reaction. It is beta elimination reaction. This is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. Beta carbon hydrogen is eliminated. It is beta elimination. It follows Seychef rule and this is dehydrohalogenation. This is dehydrohalogenation and this is not dehydration. So you can go for ABC. ABC. Second choice is the correct answer. ABC. Second choice is the correct answer. That is about 11th question. That is about 11th question. So this is an example for beta elimination reaction. It follows Seychef rule and it is a dehydrohalogenation reaction. So we can see it's not a dehydration reaction. So the answer is second choice. 12th question. 12th question. Identify the correct statement. Identify the correct statement. That is the question. CO2 used as CO2 gas used as refrigerant for ice cream. This is not correct. Suppose it is solid, we can consider. Suppose CO2 solid, so-called dry ice, we can consider that statement. The structure C60 involved 12 6-carbon ring and 25 carbon ring. That is also a wrong statement. It has to be the opposite. It has to be the opposite. It's a textual statement with reference to the diagram available. That is also a wrong statement. ZSM5 used to convert alcohol to gasoline. That's a true statement, textual statement. CO is colorless and odorless. That's a non-fact. So A and B are wrong. C and D are correct. We will go for first choice. C and D are the correct answer. Okay. Question number 13. Question number 13. Which of the following is correct order regarding the field strength, increasing field strength? Question number 13. The order is detailed given in the textbook. The order is detailed given in the textbook. No doubt about it. Second choice is the correct answer. You can verify the spectrochemical series given in the textbook. The spectrochemical series with reference to the strength of the ligand. That order will be followed. A frequently coming question, randomly picked species. That's the only problem which can create a confusion. Second choice comes as the correct answer. 14th question. 14th question. Hydrolysis of sucrose given by the following reaction. And see, equilibrium constant is given 2 into 10 power 13. Temperature given 300 Kelvin. Value of delta G naught. Value of delta G naught. You know, delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K. Minus RT ln K. So the choice must contain a minus. There is minus and 3-4 choices are out. So it is minus RT ln K. This is K value. This is temperature value and this is R value with a minus. Second choice will be the correct answer. 14th question. Second choice will be the correct answer. 15th question. Identify the incorrect match. Identify the incorrect match regarding the IUPAC systematic name and official name. IUPAC systematic name and official name. Unnil Anniyam 101. That is Mendelevium. That is true. This is true. Unnil Trium 103 Lawrencium. That is also true. Unnil Hexium 106 Zeeborgium. That is also correct. Anniyam. That is 111. 111 Darmstadtium is not correct. This is incorrect. Basically, this element is 110. And we are talking about 111. And that element is Rongium Rg. So D is not a perfect match. We want to have incorrect one. So the first choice, that is the correct answer. First choice is the correct answer. D4 is an incorrect match. On to the question number 16 now. Anisole on cleavage with HI gives. anisole on cleavage with HI gives? Elementary question only. This is anisole. This is anisole, and all of you know it is not going to break here as it is having a partial double bond character and is going to break here. When it is breaked over here, you get a minus here and plus here, and you know H plus will be available on this position and I minus will be coming at this position, and that means you are going to get OH phenol and CS3I. OH phenol and CS3I. Second choice will come as the correct answer. Second choice will come as the correct answer, phenol and CH3I. Right? On to 16th question. On to the 17th question. 17. Identify the correct statement from the following. Identify the correct statement from the following. Pig iron can be molded into a variety of shapes. You can. Wrought iron, impure iron, wrong statement. Blister copper due to evolution of carbon dioxide, wrong statement. Vapor phase refining carried out in nickel by Van Arkel method. Vapor phase refining of nickel is Mons process. Here it is sulfur dioxide, all of you know. And the possible true statement, the possible correct statement, it is the first one. Pig iron can be molded into a variety of shapes. 18th question. 18th question. For the reaction 2-chlorine gas giving Cl2 gas. So 2 chlorine atoms are combining. 2 chlorine atoms are combining to give a chlorine molecule. See, 2 chlorine atoms are combining. So one chlorine combines with another chlorine. One chlorine combines with another chlorine. So a bond is formed and you are getting Cl2. A bond is formed. It is exothermic process. Delta H is negative. Delta H is less than 0. And 2 atoms unite to form single particle. Entropy decreases. So 2 particles become 1 particle. Entropy decreases. Energy releases. Delta H is less than 0. Delta S is less than 0. First choice is the correct answer. Delta H less than 0, that is exothermic. Delta S less than 0, entropy decreases. First choice will be the correct answer. Okay. Next question. 19th question. Identify the compound. That is the question. Identify the compound X on the following sequence. That is a reaction there in the textbook. It's a reaction there in the textbook. Preparation of benzaldehyde. Preparation of benzaldehyde. Toluene treated with the chlorine, you get X. Upon hydrolysis, you get benzaldehyde. So there is a clear indication given regarding the product. And what will be this X? It must be benzyl chloride. It must be benzyl chloride. Fourth choice is the correct answer. Benzyl chloride. Because when 2 chlorine atoms are coming there, benzyl, that will be hydrolyzed, you get a benzaldehyde. If there is only 1 chlorine, that is benzyl, you get benzyl alcohol. 3 chlorine, you get benzoic acid. So it is 2 chlorine, you get benzaldehyde. Preparation of benzaldehyde. Textual question. Answer is fourth choice. Benzyl chloride, CHCl2. Okay. 20th question. Question number 20. Matching oxide and nature. Oxide and nature. See, A carbon monoxide is neutral. A with 2. A with 2. Only one choice. A with 2. Only one choice. Carbon monoxide is neutral. Now, B1. Yes, barium oxide is basic. Now, C, aluminium oxide is the very famous amphoteric. C with the 4, amphoteric. And Cl2O7 is 3, acidic. So, carbon monoxide is neutral. Barium oxide, metallic oxide, strongly basic. Aluminium oxide, a very famous amphoteric molecule, and Cl2O7, highly electronegative oxide, it is acidic. So the correct choice is third one. 21st question. Urea react with water to form A, which will decompose to form B. B when passed through Cu2 plus aqueous deep blue color solution C is formed. What is the formula of C in the following? Formula of C. Giving a deep blue color, you get your answer. Giving a deep blue color, it is cuprammonium complex. Third choice is the correct one. So you get from urea, you get ammonia, and that ammonia is interacting in the copper sulfate solution, and you get a deep blue colored cuprammonium complex. Very simple one. Third choice is the correct answer. Cuprammonium complex. 22nd question. Question number 22. On electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode, product obtained at the anode will be. Dilute sulfuric acid upon electrolysis. Dilute sulfuric acid upon electrolysis, it will be H plus and SO4 2 minus and OH minus available in the solution. H plus, SO4 2 minus and OH minus available in the solution. And you know hydrogen will be liberated at a cathode. At a cathode, hydrogen gas will be liberated, and at the anode we have two ions, sulfate and OH minus, and OH minus will be preferentially discharged, liberating oxygen gas. And what asked here is product obtained at anode. Product obtained at anode will be oxygen gas. Third choice, that is the correct one. Setting solution. Continue. So at the cathode, there is no doubt only one ion is available, hydrogen gas will be liberated, while at the anode we have two ions. Among sulfate and OH minus, the discharge potential of sulfate is very high, so OH minus will be discharged and oxygen gas will be liberated at the anode. 22nd question. Next is 23rd. Question number 23. An element has body-centered BCC structure with the edge length, atomic radius. Atomic radius, elementary question. All of you know, for BCC, root 3a is equal to 4r. See, this is given. They ask you what is this. So the point is r is equal to root 3a by 4. Root 3a by 4. Root 3a by 4. Option 2. Option 2. Root 3a by 4. A is given. A is given. Root 3a by 4. Second choice is the correct answer. Question number 24. Question number 24. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives. Elementary question. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives. It is alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Fourth choice. Elementary question, fundamental question, direct question. Next one. 25. Which of the following is a basic amino acid? Basic means, you know, the number of NH2 will be greater. When the number of NH2 and COH are equal, that is a neutral one. When the COH is in greater, acidic amino acid. When the NH2 group is in greater, it is basic amino acid. So among the following, which is basic amino acid, all of you know, it is lysine. That too is an elementary question. It is lysine, the structure of all amino acids, 20 amino acids enlisted in the textbook. Textbook question based on the structure. Lysine. That is 25th question. Next is 26th question. Question number 26. Which of the following set of molecules will have zero dipole moment? Zero dipole moment. You know boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride has got a zero dipole moment. Boron trifluoride BF3 has got zero dipole moment because equivalent position. Beryllium difluoride. This is beryllium difluoride. Two fluorine opposite position, zero dipole moment because this mutually cancels. This to opposite direction, it is mutually cancelling. Carbon dioxide, a linear molecule, mutual cancellation. So here the dipole moment is equal to 0. Here the dipole moment is equal to 0. Here also the dipole moment is equal to 0. And finally 1,4-dichlorobenzene, that too, and that itself is the correct answer, I believe. See that 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Here also the dipole moment is equal to 0. All of you are aware of is going to be mutually cancelled. 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 Is going to be mutually cancelled like this. So all the molecules. So the first choice itself is our correct answer. First choice itself is our correct answer. All the molecules in that set having zero dipole moment. Yes. Next question. Question number 26. Question number 27. Deepa Bhasi. Thanks a lot, sir, for this live show. Welcome, Deepa. Welcome. 27. The freezing point depression constant Kf of benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kilogram per mole. 5.12. So Kf value given to you. Kf value given to you. The freezing point depression for the solution of molality. Molality is given to you. And they are asking non-electrolytic solute. Non-electrolytic solution. What is asked? The freezing point depression. We have to find out delta Tf. We have to find out delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. This is given. This is given. Kf given 5.12 into molality given 0.078. You will launch into an answer. Very simple calculation. You will launch into an answer. Option 4. 0.4 Kelvin. 0.4 Kelvin. Question number 28. Question number 28. Which of the following oxoacid of sulfur has OO linkage? OO linkage. Even if you don't know the structure of those molecules, you can answer because OO means peroxo. OO means peroxo, and your answer is peroxodisulfuric acid, H2S2O8. H2S2O8 will maintain such a structure. H2S2O8 will maintain such a structure. And there is a peroxy linkage. There is a peroxy linkage. The two peroxo monosulfuric acid combine to give peroxodisulfuric acid. Fuses to give peroxodisulfuric acid, and it is H2S2O8, famous known as Marshall's acid. Marshall's acid. That is the answer. Fourth choice. Question number 29. HCl was passed through a solution calcium chloride, magnesium chloride and NaCl. Which of the following compounds crystallizes? There can be a bit of confusion in that question. See, regarding the fundamental logic of solubility, the correct answer is only NaCl because that will crystallize first. The fundamental logic, it is NaCl, that will be the correct answer. NaCl precipitate out. If suppose it is based on the crystallized hydrated form, suppose it is based on the crystallized hydrated form, that is not clear from the intention of the question. Suppose it was so, this will give you a hydrated crystal, this will give you a hydrated crystal, but that hydrated form is not given in the choice. Hydrated form is not given in the choice. If it was that was the intention, it would have gone for second choice. MgCl2 we have hydrated 6H2O, 8H2O, and CaCl2 we have 6H2, 8H2O, like that. So if it is the hydrated form, that would have been the answer. If it is simply regarding the precipitation of purification of NaCl from the saturated solution, it will be precipitating of only NaCl. So there lies a bit of clarity in that, unclear situation in the question basically. And if it was given as a hydrated crystal, we would have gone for MgCl2 6H2O like that, or CaCl2 6H2 8H2O like that. Then it would have been option 2. But it is simply given as a solution of CaCl2, MgCl2, NaCl, HCl passed through. It is what do you call NaCl purification. If that is the intention, definitely the answer is 3. Next question. Question number 30. Measuring zeta potential is useful in determining which property of colloidal solution. Basically, zeta potential and the charge, it is explaining the stability of colloidal particles. That will be the correct answer. Stability of the colloidal particles. If it is regarding Ashita Lal, thank you, welcome Ashita. Yes, if it is regarding the charge of colloidal particles, and it is regarding stability only, the fourth choice we can select. And see, zeta potential may also relate to the sedimentation potential also, but it is not sedimentation something is given, only solubility is given. Solubility may not be referred there. Stability can definitely be carried there as an answer because charge is related to stability. Fourth choice. 31st question. The rate constant for a first order reaction given, K is given. The time required to reduce 2 gram of reactant to 0.2 gram. Time required to reduce 2 gram to 0.2 gram. So T is equal to 2.303 by K log R0 by R. Here R0 is 2 and R is equal to 0.2. So it is 2 by 0.2. This is going to be log 10. Log 10 will be 1. See, log 2 by 0.2, that is log 10. Log 10 will be 1. So time will be 2.303 by K. This part has become 1. So 2.303 by K. What is K? It is 4.606 into 10 power minus 3 in the denominator becomes 10 power 3 in the numerator. So what happens? This is 2. So 1000 by 2, your answer is 500. 1000 by 2, your answer is 500. Fourth choice. That is 31st question. That is 31st question. 32nd. Which of the following alkane cannot be made in good yield by Wurtz reaction? You know, Wurtz reaction prepares symmetrical higher alkanes. Wurtz reaction prepares symmetrical higher alkane. This is a symmetrical higher alkane. This is a symmetrical higher alkane, and this is also symmetrical, while this is quite unsymmetrical and is not preferred by Wurtz reaction. Cannot be made. The answer is fourth choice. Heptane contains 7 carbon atom, and that is giving a unsymmetrical higher alkane. It is not prepared by Wurtz reaction, or rather it is not preferably preferred by that reaction. Okay. Fourth choice is the correct answer. Wurtz reaction preferred to give symmetrical higher alkanes. Question number 33. Question number 33. Match the following and identify the correct option. Match the following and identify the correct option. CO plus H2. CO plus H2, you know, it is a so-called water gas, synthesis gas or syn gas. A with 3. A with 3, you have 3 options. Now, temporary hardness of water, B with 1. A with 3, B with 1, you have only one choice, it is second choice. That is the correct answer. Second choice is the correct answer. A with 3, syn gas, and B with 1, that one, and C, diborane. Diborane is an electron deficient. C with 2, C with 2, And D, H2O2, H2O2 with 4, non-planar structure. You know the structure of H2O2, open book structure. It is a non-planar structure. Next question. So the answer is second choice. 34th question. Find out the solubility of nickel hydroxide in 0.1 molar NaOH. Given that the ionic product of NaOH twice is 2 into 10 power minus 15. You see the example question. The example question solved in the NCERT. Textual question given as a solved example came. So how do you do that? How do you do that? Hope you remember. It is NiOH twice will give you Ni2 plus and 2OH minus. Right? Therefore, IP is equal to concentration of Ni2 plus into concentration of OH minus square, and that is equal to the value given 2 into 10 power minus 15. So let this be X, that is our answer, into concentration of OH minus. It is 0.1 molar. NaOH concentration given. NaOH concentration given as 0.1, that is OH minus concentration in the solution. So this is 0.1 molar. So it is 10 power minus 1 square. That is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 15. And what is the solubility? X is the solubility. That is the concentration of Ni2 plus. And it will be 10 power minus 15 here, 10 power minus 2 here. And your answer will be, see, 10 power minus 2 here. Cancel with the 10 power minus 15. The answer will be 2 into 10 power minus 13. Second choice is the correct answer. 2 into 10 power minus 13. Second choice is the correct answer. It dissociates at Ni2 plus 2OH minus. And this is the ionic product equation. And that is given as 2 into 10 power minus 15. And this value is given in the question. So what is X? That is the solubility. Next, 35. 35th question. Identify a molecule which does not exist based on the fundamental idea of molecular orbital theory. Fundamental idea of molecular orbital theory, and a molecule He2 cannot exist. A molecule He2 cannot exist as it is having 4 electrons. It will be configured sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Number of bonding electron and anti-bonding electrons are equal. For a molecule to be stable, all of you know, number of bonding electron must be greater than number of anti-bonding electron. Otherwise, it is not stable. So He2 does not exist because the number of bonding electron is equal to number of anti-bonding electron. The configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. That cannot exist. 36th question. Question number 36. Which of the following will give you carbylamine test? You know, carbylamine test is given by primary amine. Primary amine will give you carbylamine test. This is a secondary amine. This is the primary amine, and that is our answer, aniline. While this is a secondary amine, this is a tertiary amine. The correct answer is second one. Aniline will give you carbylamine test. 37th question. Identify the incorrect statement. Identify the incorrect statement. The oxidation state of chromium in CrO4 2 minus and Cr2O7 2 minus are not the same. Not the same. It is incorrect statement. This is an incorrect statement, and that is the answer. Why? Because in both the oxidation state are same. CrO4 2 minus, you can work out. Chromium, you will get plus 6. Cr2O7 2 minus, the value will be plus 6. Both are having same oxidation state. According to the medium, they exist under equilibrium. In acid medium, the orange colored dichromate predominates, while in alkali medium, the yellow colored chromate will be available. In acid medium, orange colored dichromate is prevailing. It's only existing under equilibrium. Their state changes from one form to another. They are only a dimeric form like that. Chromate and dichromate, both are same oxidation state. While the other statements, definitely they will be correct statement from the textual point only, from the textbook only. That is an incorrect statement. 38th question. An increase in the concentration of reactant An increase in the concentration of reactant of a reaction lead to change in. See, concentration of reactants increases. That means the quantity of reactants increases. When the quantity of reactants increases, the collision frequency will increase. It will cause an increase in the collision frequency. 1 is the correct answer, because no change in activation energy, no change in heat of reaction, no change in threshold energy. It is only a fact that collision frequency increases. When the number of molecules increases, collision frequency increases. Collision frequency factor there in the kinetic equation, Arrhenius equation, you know, explained in the last part of the chapter kinetics. Question number 39. Question number 39. A mixture of N2 and argon gases in a cylinder contains 7 gram nitrogen and 8 gram argon. If the total pressure of the mixture of the gases in the cylinder is 27 bar, partial pressure of nitrogen is. Another simple problem, partial pressure of X is equal to mole fraction of X. Partial pressure of A is equal to mole fraction of A into total pressure. See, the total pressure is given and a mole fraction you can find out. Number of moles of A by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. That is equal to mass of A divided by molar mass of A divided by mass of B by molar mass of B plus mass of A by molar mass of A. Here everything is given. Mass of A, mass of B, molar mass of A, molar mass of B, all data is given and total pressure is given. A simple mathematical formulation to find out the answer as option 15 bar. Option 15 bar as the correct answer. See, the total pressure given 27 and you can easily find out the mole fraction of nitrogen from the data. The mole fraction of nitrogen you can from the mass of nitrogen and argon you can easily find out. So mole fraction into total pressure will give you the partial pressure of nitrogen. You will get correct answer as 15 bar, fourth choice. Question number 40. Question number 40. Number of Faraday required to produce 20 gram calcium. 20 gram calcium. All of you have learnt 1 mole calcium. Calcium is a divalent species. You need 2 Faraday. 1 mole calcium means 40 gram. You need 2 Faraday. Therefore, 20 gram. You need 1 Faraday. Simple point. The answer is second choice. 1 Faraday. 1 mole calcium. The valency N factor is 2. Calcium is a divalent element. 1 mole require 2 Faraday. 1 mole means 40 gram. 40 gram require 2 Faraday. Therefore, 20 gram require how many Faraday? That is the question. It is second choice. Question number 41. Question number 41. Reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone. There will be, in presence of dilute alkali, there will be aldol condensation. There will be aldol condensation, but it is not a simple aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation. There will be cross aldol condensation. This is benzaldehyde interacting with the acetophenone. Acetophenone. It is going to condense over this region. It is going to condense over this region. This O and CH2 out. And the product obtained will be like this. CH, double bond CH, CO. Such a product will be obtained. This CH, oxygen and H2 out, condenses. And you get CH, double bond CH, CO, C. The unsaturated ketone. Unsaturated ketone is obtained. First, actually you are getting a aldol. That aldol, upon simple heating, you get a unsaturated ketone. This is cross aldol condensation. First choice is the correct answer. This is cross aldol condensation. First choice is the correct answer. Right? Now on to 42. Question number 42. What is the change in oxidation number in the reaction? Change in oxidation number in the reaction. Simple question. Carbon in methane is -4 and carbon in CCl4 it is +4. So -4 to +4, fourth choice is the correct answer. -4 to +4, fourth choice is the correct answer. Nothing in it. Right. Yes. Next one. 43rd question. 43rd question. An alkene on ozonolysis gives methanol as one of the product. An alkene on ozonolysis gives methanol as one of the product. The structure is, you can get methanol only in the fourth choice. You can get methanol only in the fourth choice, because during ozonolysis it is going to break over the double bond. It is going to break over the double bond. When you take the fourth compound, the product obtained is, it breaks over the double bond, and the product obtained is number one product like this, CH2CHO, and the other product is methanol, HCHO. So this part of the molecule, one carbon you get a methanol and the other one you get an aldehyde, CH2CHO. So CH2CHO and methanol. While in all other cases you don't get a methanol, the question is, where do you get a methanol? Fourth choice is the correct answer. Fourth choice is the correct answer. Yes. Question number 44. Question number 44. Question number 44. Reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by hydrolysis. Acetone and methyl magnesium chloride. I think you are aware of acetone, CH3COCH3 plus CH3MgBr or CH3MgCl, Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. A ketone with the Grignard reagent, the final product you have learnt, it is a tertiary alcohol. Formaldehyde with the Grignard reagent, you get a primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde with the Grignard reagent, you get a secondary alcohol. Ketone with the Grignard reagent, you get a tertiary alcohol. You get a tertiary alcohol. And the answer is fourth choice. Fourth choice. You get a tertiary alcohol. And last question from the chemistry part. 45th question. Last question from the chemistry part. Which of the following is a cationic detergent? A straight down textbook question given as an example in the last chapter Chemistry in Everyday Life regarding surfactants and all. Surfactants and all. You know the cationic detergents. First one, sodium dodecylbenzene sulfonate is a anionic detergent. Sodium lauryl sulfate, anionic. Sodium stearate, anionic. And the answer is cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. Textbook information. It is a cationic detergent, and that is the fourth choice is the correct answer. When I just made a quick analysis, I have seen that, or I feel like the distribution from 11th and 12th standard area are equally being done, and a very simple paper, and we are presenting that in front of you as a discussion. Okay, that's all from the chemistry part discussion of the NEET exam that is conducted today. The other subjects, the other part of the exam will continue followed by. Okay, bye.